so close. I just have to do 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 more things. One more thing. Alright, I'll make it one more then. Hey, what have you been doing? Are you dancing?
I fixed it.
You fixed it?
Sparkle.
Sparkle, yeah. I thought you might like the sparkly one.
Please.
There's the sparkly one. Fluoro pink, fluoro yellow. Look up there, who's that? Hello and welcome back to Stress. All we're doing is painting a Mother's Day present. I got these terracotta pots, painted them a little bit silver. That, you know, it's a bit of a dodgy job, but I think it does, like from a distance you can't tell. And now we're gonna get the child to add some other colors to the pots for Mother's Day. And she's already getting the water. Okay, all right, let's just do it, yeah? It was at this point during filming that I didn't realise that the camera didn't refocus on where I wanted it to. So if you want it to be clear again, skip a couple minutes ahead. Otherwise, just watch the next little bit of us painting pots. But imagine, instead of watching it clearly, you're watching it more like this. Quick shake. Do you want to shake it? Shake, 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 shake. That's pink.
Green.
Green. Yellow. No feet just yet. You can use hands. Do you want to use your feet? Oh, look at it between your toes. Can you put it on this?
What?
Oh, that's pretty. You do another one?
Red.
Well, I didn't think this is how we were going to be painting them, but cool.
Look.
That looks really good. Do you want to do... Why does it have to be the foot? Oh no. You want to do another one? You want to do this one? I didn't know that we were going to be foot painting today. I had a feeling we'd be using hands and brushes. That's ridiculous, little one. Oh dear, see? I did not think that through, did I? This is where the... Yeah, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Yeah, do it, grab it, do what you want. That's exactly what I wanted you to do. Oh, do you have to do feet first again? Just a little bit of your toe. Wow. Do some more over this side. Ooh, now we're talking. Yeah.
Look, hands.
Yeah, you're using your hands.
Well,
Rub. Can you just give me one hand and just go right in the middle?
what?
Okay, that didn't work how I wanted it to. Alright, you can do whatever you want.
Mommy, I don't.
Yeah, I'll give you some yellow too. Oh dear, now it's on your pants. That's right, you're gonna get the pots. No, don't do that. Done. It's looking good.
Turn.
You want Daddy to have a turn? Painting? Yeah, you love painting, don't you? We don't do it as often as we should, for obvious reasons. Oh, don't do your pants! Okay, you painted your hands. Are you going to paint the pots? There you go. Paint that side too. Oops, it's everywhere.
Clean up.
Clean up?
I
Yeah, right.
don't. Top.
On top.
Top.
What are you going to do? Foot? You want to put your foot in it?
Come on.
Yep. Go on. And then what are you going to do with that? You're going to put your foot on this. Whoa!
Oh, so slippery.
Slippery, yeah? No, Don't put that in my hair. Oh no. Has that been out of focus the entire time? Because that's really gonna shoot me off. So we're back now that I've just realised that we missed most of this because it focused on something and then didn't refocus. But now we have paper.
Washing.
You have washed. You've done very well.
Walk.
Got some paper for you. Do not do that without telling me first, please. You're gonna walk across that.
Wash.
1, 2, 3. Oh, nice work.
Black.
I think you've done enough. That's actually quite nice. Do you want to use hands this time? Yeah. Here you go. Hands. You can use that too. Is it Dad's turn? Is it Dad's turn to do this? Ooh, dry, thank you. Better? Ooh, look at that. Isn't that special? Did you say gross? Yeah, it's pretty. You're painting. What about your hands? They're gross. So that's alright, I'll wash them later. You keep focusing on your painting. Oh, splat. What are you gonna do there? No, this time. Alright. Spread it all down. Oh, you just got me on the neck. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Look at that. We've just made a mess, haven't we? Do you think it's time to pack up? Yeah, I've only got 2 more though. Should get me on the behind the neck up here, and it's in my hair I think as well. A pencil? What are we, mixed media now? Alright, hang on. That actually sounds like fun. You didn't think I was going to give it to you, did you? It's Daddy. What about Daddy? Do I need a pencil too? Alright, now what are we going to do with it? You want some glitter too? Glitter? Sparkles? Alright, there you go. That's what you have to choose from. Paint it. That's pretty good. How's that for a bit of a mixed media piece? Now that's worth a ta-da. You like it? Does it need anything more or is it finished?